By integrating 3D printing into your fabrication process, you should be able to complete more complicated components that require a different manufacturing approach. Once the initial setup is done, you should be able to shift your focus onto your other projects while your component prints. Once you understand the principles behind the printing requirements for your specific fabrication needs, 3D printing can drastically increase production quality and repeatability. In addition, 3D printed props with hardware and mounting points built in allow you to move into the finishing process immediately after the print.